Okay, yang full ilanel. Bako na full ilanel. Okay, ini sini. So, ngizolandela nithi hamba wena hamba wena hamba hamba wena hamba hamba wena hamba hamba wena.
Sabelo, close the gate.
Iyo hamba wena iyo hamba wena. I think I'm coming, man. I think I'm going to hamba wena. Iyo hamba wena. Aibo iyo hamba wena. Iyo hamba wena. Aibo atane sasanya hamba atane soponela nakuwe imondo yami kuwe bazopela ba iyo hamba wena iyo hamba wena iyo hamba wena iyo hamba wena. Aibo iyo hamba wena. Aibo thank you so much though. You guys, what's in yo.
Molweni guys, molweni. Enkosi gogo nomxolisi. Ibizo lami ndinguNompumelelo Ngcobo. Ngibhale izincwadi nazi lezi zincwadi ziwu-4 iQamatha Cultural Series. Kulezi zincwadi lezi engizibhalile ngizibhalele abantwana abanjengani, izincwadi zamasiko, izincwadi zezinto zesintu, izincwadi eziyisintu kakhulu. So today ngizozithula la kunina ngizomtshengisa zona lezi zincwadi ngiphinde nginifundele kuyona incwadi eyodwa namhlanje. So sesoqala ngicela ukuthi umzali wami asukume asivulele ngomkhuleko.
Izwi lakho linamandla, izwi lakho lokuphila, izwi lakho liyinkazimulo. Oshilo wabezwi lakho umnyango uvulwa wona akekho ongawuvala. Nkosi yami akekho ongawuvala Nkosi. Selemba makekho endleleni kwabamdala. Siyabonga uNkulunkulu sibonga ukuphila kukho konke. Kumele sibonge sidumise sibonge ukuphila ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi nokuhlakanipha kwethu. Kepha kwamandla akho moya engcwele nayawuqinisa.
Oh, siyabonga ngaloyo mkhuleko ma. Ngasithemba ukuthi umoya uzosihola ngoba usuqalelile wena wasibizela abakwamoya.
Oi, Jamali, asizwe so, asizwe iphambili. Asizwe iphambili. Kuze abanye abengena bakwazi bani indawo. Emi, okay, masayini phansi. abanye afike bafika bahleli ngaphaya abafikile kuzaphela indawo.
Okay guys, ngicela uku-introducer i-discussant yami noma umxoxisi wami ugogo uNomxolisi Albert. Uzokhuluma nani kancane uma sesiyakhuluma ke sobabili uma sengiyifunda incwadi.
Amagweli. Kolweni guys nini? Okay, so igama lami mina nginomxolisi Nhlalakalanga. Ngifunda e-UWC. Yazi UWC. Okay, so ngifunda e-UWC, but before ngifunda e-UWC, ngifunda e-Big High School, yeah? And then ngaphangela for 14 years e-call center. Yazi bayi call center? Okay, so ngiphangela e-call center. Akumnandi ke uphangela e-call center, ne? And I think that ngicela lento because ukufuma ngokuba ngifunda, ne? Nangokundingena e-high school because bengihlala eKwalanga, e-township, yabo. The only thing that ebengifuna uyenza bana ngiphume i-matric ngiyophangela e-call center, yabo. So ke ngoku after la 14 years ngiphangela e-call center, ngoku ndenza umsebenzi whereby ngifuna abantu abafana nami abahlala ezilokishini, amantombazana abantwana actually, yabo, ndisebenzisana nabo whereby ndi-encourage ukufunda and why ukufunda is more important than ukufuna mhlawumbe ukuba semsebenzini, and especially umsebenzi ofana ne-call center, because most i-reality yalapha eSouth Africa is that if awuphangeli or if uqedile ukufunda, then the only thing ozoyifumana or into ezoba i-shortcut is that usebenze e-call center, yabo, as abantwana abamnyama abaningi, which is it's not supposed to happen that way, yabo. As abantwana abaningi abamnyama we sizi-creatives, meaning that sithanda ufunda sometimes, but sometimes because singayazi, yabo, mhlawumbe singaqhelanga uyibona endlini, then ke ngoku sicinge fana uba ayonto important, kanti ukufunda is important because once ufunde uyakwazi upublisha incwadi like incwadi sizayifunda namhlanje, right? And also ufunda is not just about amagama, ufunda amagama, right? Because enye indlela yofunda niyakwazi bana nipente, yabo, so that nikwazi bana niphile apha kuni ngaphakathi, and then nikwazi ukukhula nibe ngabantu abanothando, uyaqonda, abantu abakwazi ukucinga bayintoni abayifunayo uyenza ngobomi babo, yabo. So mna ke nosisi Nompumelelo ugogo naye obhalile incwadi sidibene apha namhlanje so that sifuna sicenga uba sini-encourage when it comes to ukufunda, you know, when it comes to why nisiya esikolweni, you know, and also to make sure bana sinezi space sizenzayo so that nikwazi bana if evekini from Monday to Friday you find that ayikho mhlawumbe into ethetha nawe phaa esikolweni that we can maybe ucreate okanye ucinge ifama umisi yedwa okanye ngeza ncwadi zodwa, whereas I think namhlanje what I want you guys baya niphume apha niyazi is that nani namhlanje from le into siyenzayo namhlanje and everything you're going to hear is that nani you could nizokwazi uba nibhale incwadi, nizokwazi uba nicinge differently when it comes to who you are as people, and also what are the possibilities that you can do with imfundo, ne? So imfundo again is imfundo incwadi, isikolo, but then it's also within nina. Imfundo is also endlini as well, yabo. Imfundo is ukufunda bana okay kwenziwa kanjani izinto apha endlini, but I'm also not wanting to ukuyenza ibende. So mna ndinguNomxolisi Nhlalakalanga and I'm here to have fun with you guys, so that we can have fun, engage, sizofunda and understand more exactly what the books are about and why we should sifunde and what the books are about, Amata, right? And how it is that we can connect CPN, ne?
Enkosi gogo Nomxolisi, enkosi. Just okay, we're going to go into the Q&A, not the Q&A, we're going to go into the discussion manje. Ugogo Nomxolisi ungenzele imbuzo azongibuza yona umese ngizoyiphendula umese nani nisibuze siniphendule akube njalo.
So I think imbuzo wami uqala engifuna ukubuza wona is who you are. Uchazele abantwana maybe about who you are and why it is we are here today. I think the background yakho, you know. Yes.
Oh, inkosi Gogo. I-background yami bantwana, mina njengoba ngishilo ngathi ngizolumpumelelo Ngcobo, ngifundile amabanga aphezulu, ngawafunda eThekwini, ngikhulele eThekwini, ngizalelwe eNkandla, nyakwazi eNkandla. Hawu, nemazi uPresident Zuma. Lapho ehlala khona uPresident Zuma-ke ngizalelwe eNkandla, ngakhulela eThekwini, ngafunda amabanga aphansi eThekwini, ngaya kumabanga aphezulu. Kumabanga aphezulu ngajoyina i-poetry club e-high school from my English teacher ngayithanda lapho, ngaqala lapho ukuthanda amagama, ngithande izinto ezibhaliwe. Ngaya evarsity ngenza i-English Literature BA degree. Le English Literature BA degree kakubhalwa kakhulu, kwenziwa zonke izinto lezi, kodwa kufundwa kakhulu futhi. Ngase ngakushiya konke lokho ngaya kwipolitiki, ngenza i-honors yepolitiki ne-masters yepolitiki, ngayosebenza ePhalamende nama-politicians. Ngase ngabona ukuthi angiyithandi leyo mpilo leyo, ngabuya ngaqala ngabhala lezi ncwadi lezi, uQamatha Cultural Series. Ngabhala lezi zincwadi lezi, ngazipublisha mina qobo lami, ngoba ngithi angeke ngize ngilinde omunye umuntu ukuthi angenzele umsebenzi wami, angifezele iphupho lami, athi ngifezele mina iphupho lami. Ngase ngayibhala-ke incwadi njengoba sila namhlanje. Yeah, mina-ke loyo umpumelelo Ngcobo.
Guys, you still with us now? Yes. Okay. So you know what I'm thinking for me? I think that this is introducing Tina, right? And she's introducing the background Z, right? And so in a conversation is right? But I also feel like maybe to understand, let's read the books. Let's read the books and have the discussion afterwards. Yes.
That's a good idea. Okay. Ngizokunifundela, ngikhetha le ncwadi le uQamatha uyakuthi ukuthi nginifundele yona. Yazi ngobani? Ngoba ngiyanazi nina ukuthi niyawazi uTsiki. Angithi niyawazi uTsiki?
No.
Anawazi uTsiki? Oh, khona abawaziyo, khona abangawazi. So ngikhethe le ncwadi kaTsiki ukuthi labo abangawazi bazokwazi-ke namhlanje. Hayi, okay. uQamatha uya kuTsiki. Namhlanje bekungelona usuku oluqhelekileyo kulo kaQamatha. Abantu bexakekile bephithizela bepheka ukutsha okuvuzisa amathe. Kwaye bekhona abenza imibhaco emihle. Kwabonakala ukuba lusuku olukhulu lokwenzelwa uTsiki uMamkhize. uTsiki kaMamkhize nakhu bayalungiselela. Makhulu, ingabe yintoni uTsiki? Kubuza uQamatha ejonge isidlo esikhulu esilungiselelwayo. Umakhulu wancumela umzukulu wakhe wathi yimbiyozo apho umakoti ezokwethulwa kusapho nasemadlozini wosapho lwakhe omutsha. Nango-ke ekhuluma nomakhulu wakhe uQamzo uqamatha njalo hayi uqamuzulu. Umama kaQamatha wayenxibe umbhaco omhle ebonisa ubuhle bamasiko. Sizokwamukela uMamkhize umakoti wethu omtsha kutsho umama ejoge kuQamatha. Nangu umama efaka umbhaco noQamatha befaka umbhaco. Lide lafika ixesha ebekade lilangazelela uQamatha. Izihlobo nezelamani zihleli emacaleni womzi, amakhukho ehleli phansi kakuhle, abantwana behleli ecaleni bodwa. Ngelo xesha uMamkhize wafika ehamba ngobunono ekhatshwa ngabakhaphi bakowabo. Wayenxibe ezikanokutsho ezinhle kakhulu kwaye ephuphuma inkazimulo. Akasemhle uMamkhize. Ngiyambona? Abadala bathetha amazwi okuhlonipha namazwi okwamukela. Namhlanje uyangena kulowo mzi amanyange akwamukela kwelikhaya makoti. Nabo abadala bemamukela uMamkhize. Abakhaphi bathatha uMamkhize bayomhambisa endlini enkulu apho ahlala khona phakathi kweintombi zosapho nomamazala. Bamdlulisa ngasegumbini lokulala apho abafika khona bamnxibisa ezobukoti belikhaya bade bamqinise iqhiya enhloko. Ezobukoti niyazazi lezi zobukoti lezi ayigqokile uMamkhize? Ufaka le tshali engasalazi igama lalo usibizwa ngayo. Kwatsho igwijo waqala umxhenzo kuqhatshwa izandla kukhona nomama bomthandazo. uQamatha wadanisa nabanye abantwana enovuyo. Nabo mama bomthandazo baseweseli niyababona kodwa begqoka red and white instead of red and black. Emva kwexesha uMamkhize wathula kumanyange esibayeni kwehlinzwa imvu bayixuba nenyongo wanikwa ukuthi atshe kanye namakhosikazi endlini. Nansi imvu. Utatomkhulu wathi ngokuke usuyinkosikazi yalapha kwelikhaya kumele uhloniphe kwaye uthande umzi lo. Bamphe igama lakhe elitsha uzusiphe amandla. Bamyala abadala ngalesigaba sempilo angena kuso. Lonke elo xesha uQamatha ubukele umangele. uQamatha wayevuya kakhulu ngenye imini nami ndizoba ngumakoti ndizalwe ngobutsha emzini. Ndiphinde ndibizwe ngegama elitsha wonke umuntu wahleka wanquma intombazane. Nangu uQamatha ezibeka ngamehlo engqondo ngowakhe uSiki. Nge-imagination phecelezi. uQamatha wade wayiqonda ukuba uTsiki yayingonombiyoze kephala yindlela yokwamukela uthando, usapho namadlozi. Nangu uQamatha la she's just thinking to herself. Reflecting on what uTsiki actually is. Phela ngantsomi. Athi ngizoyichaza kancane nje lencwadi kaTsiki uma sengiyayivula inkundla nibuze imibuzo enifisa ukuyibuza. Le ncwadi le kaTsiki ibhalwe about uMamkhize. uMamkhize uyena abamenzela uTsiki. But really I took stuff out of owami uTsiki kule ncwadi le. Mina igama lami lasemzini uzusipha amandla. Nilizwile lelo gama la kuTsiki? So leyo nto leyo ibizwa nge-documentary style. When you document facts in a fictitious, kwincwadi fiction. So I did it a bit of documentary style. It was about my own tiki, and I naye umbuzo ngotiki engingathanda ukuyibuza. Okay. Oh, they don't know.
Tell me when it explained utsiki bantwana bam ne xa ubhuti wakho ebone usisi azatshata ne xa ubhuti wakho ebone usisi afuna umtshata ibonisa yonke ezaa zinto zenzekayo ne xa ubhuti wakho efuna ukutshata usisi iyavakala ngumtshato utsiki ne ngumtshato utsiki ne I think that would be probably the easiest way to put it.
Bekhona umbuzo apha ngasemva lo mfana lo. Akanye usasenawo.
Yebo. Ibhalwe? Ibhalwe ngesiXhosa. Oh, ibhalelwe ntoni incwadi? Ibhalelwe ukuthi abantwana babungaze amasiko, babungaze isintu. Bangabungazi ama-fairies nama-castles koCinderella qha. Uyabona? Babungaze izinto zabo zasekhaya ezenziwe emakubo, izinto abaphila ngazo. Kungabi izinto ezi-far-fetched zale edeni. Yes. Isondeza abantwana kubona. Go straight into the discussions.
Okay, so I want to also discuss the Utiki, and I think that it's important that we do, talk about Utiki so that there is a understanding, ne? Kubana incwadi, even though ukamata emisiya kuTiki, ne? Ukamata is also imaginary, right? It's also an imagination. And then Usisi Mvumi is also saying that kufuneka ke ngoku si understand isiko. So siyawazi amasiko. Siyazazi izinto kufuneka sizenzile amasiko, then kube khona i-customs zasendlini. Yabo izinto kufuneka sizenzile zihamba namasiko, right? So uTiki into elisiko again, ne? And then because I'm trying to there's understanding of the book, and I don't. Okay, let me just. No, sorry about this.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Bumi, can you just tell us, ne?
Yes.
Why it is that
I chose this type of custom.
also, do you have the here with you?
Yeah, it's a course of Uncle Liz.
There's a course as well. Okay, because I don't want to. Okay, so why it is that you wrote this book? Like, I want you to talk about the healing that comes with, because you mentioned when you were saying Bana Imbani,
yes,
and that wafunda esikolweni, and that you also become a poet, right?
Yes.
And that after uye waya esikolweni wayenza poetry, and then wamuva awuse university. wamuva wayenza i-politics and then ke ngoku wafuneka uyosebenza like I was also doing i-call center right but then ke ndisebenza e-call center and then ke ndabuyela esikolweni and then nawe ubuse kwi-politics and then wabuyela ke ngoku to
into
right into
engiyithandayo
engiyithandayo ukufunda ukubhala ukubuyela back to the poetry yakho and also what does it mean to uba ngumbhali wencwadi as usisimpumi omnyama right because I think also there's kukho laa nto yobana ingathi it's only ngabantu abamhlophe abanokwazi ukubhala incwadi right so I think that maybe what you can usixelele is that singabantu abamnyama mhlambi if mhlambi mina I don't see it as a possibility seeing that when you've had so many journeys right and then you've now been able to uba usiphathele incwadi kaQamata where we can actually imagine because I think with the imagination kaQamata whereby uya kuTsiki you can also go to imfundo you can go to whatever it is that ofuna kuyo because you can imagine right so maybe you can take us through how it is that the different ways that we can imagine and also like yes
okay enkosi gogo ngizosho nje ukuthi ukuba umbhali omnyama kulukhuni owesifazane kulukhuni kakhulu ngike ngathi mangibhala lezi incwadi lezi ngasendelo omunye ubhuti one publishing thing encane wangisendela i-voice note ya 7 minutes engitshela ukuthi le ncwadi le ingani why wayo indaba ingana direction le ncwadi yakho indaba ingana ama explanation ethi kufanele ngichaze ukuthi uyini umhlonyana isilwane esibulawa kumhlonyana ngichaze ubuhlalo ukuthi buchaza ukuthini ngathi mina kuyena hawu indaba thina kufanele sizichaze kepha abelungu umlungu angabhala yona le ncwadi efana ncamashi ngeke nize nimcela ukuthi azichaze ukuthi ubani njengoba epink nje waqala nini ukuba pink usukaphi uyigqokele lezi ngubo ayigqokile yindaba singakwazi thina ukuthi simane sibhale izitori ezimnandi kujatshulwe kanjalo kuphela why must we always be explaining ourselves so kukhona ngaleyo ndlela because khona lawo ma red tape lawo khona lawo ma expectations lawo so kuyinkinga kuyinkinga ngaleyo ndlela ukuba umbhalo omnyama la eSouth Africa kunezinto eziningi nje ezokucika ngempela and also imagination yes ngifuna abantu ba-imagine ngempela ba-imagine financial things ba-imagine outside of heritage because these books are cultural theories. They are about culture. I want them to imagine outside of culture, with education, with finance, with nani. I'd love for them to do that.
Yeah. So mentioning is like as all these struggles not these struggles but challenges that you basically faced as a black woman, right? So they want they to fully understanding or I want to get to for you to explain it even further, you understand? Like its challenges too, because it is important that you that people in Kamata is here and zonke incwadi zakho, right? But I think that because ngoku siselokishini, right? And then I think that I want us to or rather like with the imagination, right? I want us to maybe speak back to how it is that you can get to writing. Do you understand? Like how it is that you can look at education, how it is that we can empower like the conversation, to empower the kids to write.
If befuna ukuzibhalela bona qobo bangase babhale kanjani.
Yes, like and why it is important to also
nokubaleka kwawo,
right? And why it is important to know who they are, isiko, right?
Yeah.
In order for them to then also write from indawo ways it's not about ubulungu, but rather looking at the attire, because in the book there's also Kamata is wearing umbhato, right? Which speaks about which tells about home and where they come from. There's also in these
What is the one I'm gonna read, Vince?
Yeah, kapha. Yeah, kapha.
Hi, study attention. Nice.